Tired of project chaos and missed deadlines? I'm going to show you how to wrangle your tasks and dominate due dates in Basecamp, making project management a breeze. Alright, let's dive right in. First, navigate to the project where you want to assign a task. You'll typically land on the project overview page, like we see here. Next, locate the Todos section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Todos to access your task lists. If you don't already have a list, click on the New To-Do List button to create one. Name your list something descriptive, like website redesign tasks or marketing campaign launch. Now, let's add a specific task. Click on Add a To-Do in the text field. Clearly describe the task. For example, design the new homepage banner. To assign the task, click on the Assignee Field. A drop-down menu will appear, listing all the members of your Basecamp project. Choose the person responsible for completing this task. Now, let's set a due date. Click on the due date field. A calendar will pop up, allowing you to select the specific date the task needs to be completed by. Finally, ensure the notify setting is turned on. This will send a notification to the assignee reminding them about the task and the upcoming due date. Click Add this to do, and you're done. Repeat these steps to assign all your tasks. Basecamp's clear layout makes it easy to track who's doing what and when it's due. And that's it. Basecamp's calendar view provides a fantastic overview of all upcoming deadlines, helping you stay organized and on top of your project. Now go forth and conquer your projects.